Best First Motorcycle Kawasaki Z650RS. The journey into the world of motorcycling is a thrilling adventure, and the Kawasaki Z650RS stands out as a stylish and approachable option for riders embarking on their two-wheel journey. Kawasaki, a brand known for its performance-oriented motorcycles, has crafted the Z650RS to blend classic styling with modern technology, creating an enticing option for beginners. With its manageable power, retro-inspired design, and rider-friendly features, the Z650RS exemplifies Kawasaki's commitment to providing a well-rounded and enjoyable first motorcycle experience. Classic design with a modern twist. The Z650RS draws inspiration from the iconic Kawasaki Z motorcycles of the past, infusing classic design elements with a modern twist. The result is a motorcycle that pays homage to its heritage while embracing contemporary aesthetics. The round headlight, teardrop fuel tank, and minimalist bodywork echo the design language of classic motorcycles, creating a nostalgic appeal. Despite its retro-inspired design, the Z650RS incorporates modern features such as LED lighting, a digital instrument cluster, and refined detailing. This fusion of classic and modern elements makes the Z650RS an eye-catching and stylish motorcycle that appeals to riders seeking a blend of heritage and innovation. Manageable power for novice riders. One of the key considerations for a first motorcycle is the power it delivers, and the Z650RS strikes a balance by offering manageable performance without compromising on excitement. The bike is powered by a 649 cubic centimeters parallel twin engine, tuned to deliver a smooth and predictable power delivery. The manageable torque and horsepower make it accessible for novice riders, allowing them to build confidence progressively. The Z650RS power band is designed to provide sufficient thrust for urban commuting and spirited rides on open roads. The linear power delivery ensures that riders can explore the bike's capabilities without feeling overwhelmed, making it an ideal choice for those entering the world of motorcycling. Agile handling and comfortable ergonomics. Navigating through city streets or cruising on winding roads requires a motorcycle with agile handling, and the Z650RS excels in this department. The bike features a lightweight chassis and a nimble design, allowing riders to maneuver through traffic or tackle corners with ease. The comfortable riding position strikes a balance between an upright stance and a slightly forward-leaning posture, providing control without causing undue strain on the rider. The Z650RS ergonomic design makes it well-suited for riders of varying heights and builds. The well-padded seat and thoughtfully positioned handlebars contribute to a comfortable and relaxed riding experience, promoting longer journeys without fatigue. Modern features for convenience. While embracing classic aesthetics, the Z650RS doesn't compromise on modern features that enhance the overall riding experience. The motorcycle typically features an LCD instrument cluster that provides essential information such as speed, gear position, fuel level, and more. This digital display adds a contemporary touch and ensures riders have access to crucial data at a glance. Other convenience features may include ABS, anti-lock braking system, contributing to enhanced safety during braking maneuvers. ABS is particularly valuable for novice riders who are still mastering their braking technique. Versatility for varied riding scenarios. The Z650RS versatility extends beyond its aesthetic appeal, making it suitable for a variety of riding scenarios. Whether navigating city streets, embarking on weekend getaways, or exploring scenic backroads, the Z650RS proves to be an adaptable companion. The bike's mid-range power and agile handling make it well-suited for both urban commuting and spirited rides through diverse terrains. This versatility allows riders to grow with the motorcycle, transitioning from daily commuting to more adventurous journeys as they become more comfortable and experienced. Customization and personalization. Motorcycling is a deeply personal experience, and Kawasaki recognizes this by offering customization options for the Z650RS. The bike's design and components lend themselves to various modifications, allowing riders to personalize their motorcycles to reflect their unique style and preferences. Aftermarket accessories, exhaust systems, and cosmetic enhancements enable Z650RS owners to create a bike that stands out from the crowd. This ability to customize fosters a sense of ownership and individuality, enhancing the overall satisfaction of owning the Z650RS. Community and riding culture. Owning a Kawasaki Z650RS is not just about having a motorcycle, it's about being part of a community that appreciates classic design, modern performance, and the shared passion for riding. Z650RS riders often form a close-knit community, whether through local riding groups, online forums, or social media. The camaraderie among Z650RS enthusiasts creates an environment where riders can share experiences, offer advice, and celebrate their love for motorcycling. Participating in events, group rides, and meetups further strengthens the sense of community, connecting Z650RS owners with like-minded individuals who appreciate the distinctive charm of this retro-inspired motorcycle. Conclusion. In the realm of first motorcycles, the Kawasaki Z650RS stands as a captivating and approachable option for riders entering the world of motorcycling. With its classic design, manageable power, agile handling, modern features, versatility, customization options, and the sense of community it fosters, the Z650RS exemplifies Kawasaki's commitment to providing a well-rounded and enjoyable first motorcycle experience. Owning a Z650RS is not just a step into motorcycling, it's an entry into a community that shares a passion for timeless design and the thrill of the open road. The Kawasaki Z650RS is a stylish and inviting gateway to the world of two-wheeled adventures, encouraging riders to embrace the freedom and camaraderie that define the essence of motorcycling.